Hello everybody, and thank you for looking at my video. I have been doing videos of my antique firearms. I want to preserve history, and I know if people go to museums they would see ones like this, but it really is cool to own a piece of history. This is a genuine 1860 Colt black powder 44 caliber. It is percussion cap. It does have all matching numbers. Oops, sorry that it's a little blurry there. I do not see any. There is a cartouche here. I've never noticed that before. I think it's because of the lighting that I've used. But there is a cartouche there. What it says, who knows? This gun is in operational condition and is in beautiful shape for its age. This gun came with the letter from the Colt factory stating when it was made and who it was sent to. Serial number 28182, 44 caliber, 8-inch, blue and brass wood grip finish. It was made in, I'm looking for the date on the letter. Let me shoot over to the letter and I'll come back. It was actually shipped out in January 27th, 1862 to the U.S. Arsenal in Washington, D.C. and was received by Lieutenant Colonel G.D. Ramsey, is that the name? It was a shipment of 530 guns, so it is a government model and inventoried into their possession, but it was never stamped U.S. property or anything to say that it was a government gun. The only thing that makes it a government gun is the letter stating that it was. And like I said, all numbers match. It is cut out for a shoulder stock, which a lot of guns were. I have not shot this gun, and I probably won't, but it is in good enough condition to shoot, and I probably will never shoot it. Oh, the Colt address is backwards. Excuse me when I turn that around. I don't have any fancy equipment to do this, but it has a single address across the top. Whoops. It has a front narrow blade sight. Like I said, it is in beautiful shape. I'm very happy to own this. I had purchased it at auction from a local gun store in San Antonio many years ago, probably 15 years ago. The gun store was called Durys Gun Shop. And I don't remember what I paid for it, but I know it's worth a lot more than I paid for it now, which is fine. This is not for sale. It may end up going to auction one day, probably Rock Island auction. But I'm happy to own this piece. I just wanted to do a little video to show it off and have a few people see it. And also, like I said, record the number. Hopefully it'll never get stolen on me. Ha ha ha. Hope not. The person that originally owned this gun actually is from San Antonio, which is kind of funny now that I live here in San Antonio. Just a coincidence. Anyway, there will be more videos coming of other antique guns. I have also a Remington New Model Army that will be coming. Remington roll-and block pistol, rifle, and a carbine. Actually, I have 2 carbines. Springfield trapdoor, and a couple others. Anyway, thank you guys for taking a look at my video. If you have any questions, or you want to tell me information that I don't know or may have gotten wrong, please feel free to correct me. I am not a real expert, even though I've been around guns, gosh, 40 years, something like that. Thank you. Have a great day.